Today I will show you how to install AMPPS on Windows 10 machine. First, let's connect to the remote computer. I have the remote computer IP address 192.168.1.202. Okay, let's connect to it. So after install this AMPPS, let's search it, AMPPS. Go to search, and the first one, download. They provide the current version is 3.8, but they only provide 3.9 download. So let's download it, save it first. It will take some time to download. The reason I want to use AMPPS because I want to install the yetiforce CRM software. I will show you how to do that later. Please visit my YouTube channel to view further video for how to configure AMPPS. And now it will take about 1 minute to download. After download, you just click Run. Click Yes. Next, accept the agreement. See, that's the one I want to install. It can install lots of apps for you. By default, program files. Use default one. Default one again, install it. It will take about 2 hours, 3 minutes to install the AMPPS. And this version, I think, it's not very stable. If you want, you can find version 3.8. It's better than this version, but anyway, if you want, you can install that and fix the error later. Okay, agree. Setup file. So one or more issue for this one. So you need to download it manually. See, that's why I think this version is not stable. So let's search Microsoft Visual 3++ 2017, and we are looking for this one. Go to the download page, and we need to download this one, x64. Run it. repair. If the repair option not pop up for you, you just click run to run it, to install it. Close that, and then we go back to that, close, and from here, click finish. You can see this one, it's a little bit slow to start MySQL. But after you install all of them running, you just click the home button. It will bring your AMPPS home page. Okay, that's how you install AMPPS.